So good morning to all. Here is Murali.P.G. Today we are going to take the classes regarding with the Karnataka CET 2021 facing towards 2021 aspirants. Myself, Murali.P.G. We are going to take Morphology of Flowering Plant today. Before going to the class, Unacademy introduced a plus subscription course, Best Plans for Karnataka CET 2021 Aspirants. And here, this plus subscription with the premium content at affordable price, structured live courses, dedicated live doubt clearing sessions are there, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation and test series, and single subscription for unlimited access will be there. So these are the specialities or special features of plus subscription, and use my referral code Murali.P.G 85 3057 if you go with the or if you are doing a subscription for plus class. Okay. So this is one type of course under plus category with respect to Unacademy. So Unacademy will going to fulfill the requirement of the student and try to give the tips and tricks for your oncoming classes. Okay, oncoming classes and CET exams. And the second type of plus course in that plus category, it is a comprehensive batch. Here also we are facing or here we are aiming towards Karnataka CET 2021. So the specialty of this comprehensive batch is here the complete syllabus is going to be covered and tips and tricks by top educators. So tips and tricks by top educators will be there, and by the top educators means plus educators, and topic wise practice questions are there means MCQ, and full length mock test will be there after the completion of every chapter. So first of all the theory part will be there and followed with the MCQ and mock test. So this plan for 1 month it is a price value of 2250, and if you want to join to the plus comprehensive batch during the subscription, use my referral code Murali.P.G 85 3057 and get 10% off, even with respect to plus course also. Okay. So in the comprehensive batch we can observe the presence of 4 plus educators, 1 each for chemistry, physics, mathematics and biology. Okay. Myself, I am taking a comprehensive batch courses under Karnataka CET English Kannada version, means here the proper explanation with theory and MCQ and mock test will be there. If you are not understood the concept, then I will give the explanation in Kannada also. Okay. Anyhow, use this opportunity and fulfill your goal, or we will give the tips and tricks how to crack the competitive exams like Karnataka CET. Okay. So these are the things, and along with me in our team, physics, chemistry, mathematics top educators will be there. So plus educators. Okay. They will be going to take their respective topics. So good morning to everybody. Welcome to the class. Okay. So here it is Unacademy YouTube class related with the Unacademy itself YouTube class. So today we will going to discuss MCQ regarding with the morphology of flowering plant. Here I given the link regarding with this classes and other things, bit.ly/igetCET. If you visit this link, you will get a additional information about the classes, etc. And if you follow me in Unacademy student app, you will going to get the notification regarding with my classes under plus class, under special class, and the YouTube class. So today is Morphology of Flowering Plant first year PU biology topic. Okay, I have taken several special classes from last few months, and you can watch it by visiting to the Unacademy student app and register your name there, and you can get the things. Okay, you can get the classes there. You can watch the classes, previous classes and oncoming classes under special class category. Under plus course category, you have to subscribe by paying the amount. So during the time of subscription, use my referral code. So as a result, you will going to get 10% off. So thank you, my dear students. Now let us move on to the question answer discussion. Okay, I think Madan, welcome to the class. Jyotika, welcome to the class. Okay, welcome to all. Very good morning to all of you. So let us start our question at first. Okay, the first question. So totally I added more than 25 questions. Let us see how much it will going to be. Is it possible to complete all the questions? Okay, let us see later. So first question. Root pocket does not occur in which plant? Root pockets. In the case of aquatic plant, we can observe the root pocket, but out of these four plants, Ipomoea, trapa, mangrove plant, pistia, one is not having root pocket. It is D is the answer, pistia. Pistia is not having any root pockets. Okay, so answer is D for first question. Second question. So morphology of flowering plant, we can observe the modifications regarding different plant parts for different purpose, isn't it? Yeah. So let us continue the discussion. The second question, phylloclades are what? Leaf modification, one internode and long stem, modified petiole, then green succulent stem of indefinite growth. So what is phylloclade? It is the green succulent stem of indefinite growth. Succulent, which is with the water storing capacity, that is succulent plants which are green in color and having the water storage cells, especially observed in the case of xeric adapted plant. Okay, so answer is D for second question. Bladder of Utricularia and pictures of nepenthes are modification of what? Bladder of Utricularia and picture of nepenthes. So here Utricularia and nepenthes, these two are insectivorous plant, isn't it? So what about the modification? Bladder of Utricularia and picture of nepenthes. Whether it is a leaf modification, root modification, stem modification, flower modification, it is the leaf modification. So right answer is A is the right answer, that is the leaf modification. So bladder of Utricularia and pictures of nepenthes are modification of leaf. Okay, got it? So both are insectivorous plant. They will trap the insect and going to take that one to the inner side of that Utricularia plant part and pitcher plant of the nepenthes, and within that one the enzymes are secreted and going to have the digestion of that insect. So insectivorous plant. Got it? Next question. It is the tallest gymnosperm. Which is the tallest gymnosperm? Sequoia, eucalyptus, ranunculus, colus and pines. It is a sequoia. Sequoia is the tallest gymnosperm in the world. Tallest gymnosperm in the world. Question number 4. A is the answer. Next question number 5. It is a fifth question. You can answer, okay? Through chat box you can answer. The eyes of the potato tuber are what? Root bud, then flower bud, shoot bud, axillary bud. Which is the right one? So eyes of the potato tuber are what? It is the axillary bud. So it is what? Vegetative mode of reproduction, where small eyes or the plant, small plant like structure will going to appear in the axillary bud level, and that will going to give a new plant part. So eyes of the potato tuber is a mode of reproduction. It is a vegetative reproduction observed in the case of our potato. Then vexillary estivation is characteristics of the family. Which one? Vexillary estivation. Estivation is the phenomena where calyx and corolla are arranged in a particular manner, isn't it? That is what? Estivation. So vexillary type of estivation is observed in the case of Fabaceae. In the case of Fabaceae, we can observe vexillary type of estivation. So what is vexillary type? Do you know what is vexillary type? So in the vexillary type of estivation, we can observe the presence of the standard petal, wing petal and keel petal, isn't it? That is what vexillary type of estivation. So the Fabaceae is the right answer for question number 7. Sixth question, D is the right answer. So in that vexillary estivation, standard petal will going to cover the wing petal and wing petal will going to cover the keel petal. Both keel petals will going to make the boat shaped structure in the base. That is what vexillary estivation. Then mangrove plant live in which condition? Means in the which geographical condition? Alpine tundra vegetation, marshy areas along rivers, marshy areas along seashore. Which is the right answer? So it is the marshy areas along seashore. It is the right place for the mangrove plant vegetation. So they are present in submerged condition and in the side of river, where river meets with the ocean, or the seashore area where waterlogged condition is there. That is what marshy area with the grasses, etc. So mangrove vegetation is going to be there in that particular area. So Manoj, welcome to the class. So good morning to all. So marshy areas along the sea shore. Then 8th one. Succulents are likely to be found in which area? Tropical rainforest, deciduous forest, desert and tundra. It is the desert, isn't it? It is a xerophytic plant. Succulent are with the water storage cells, and best example is a cactus. It is a succulent, isn't it? So succulents are found in desert area in the xeric habitat. Then in a compound umbel, each umbellate is subtended by what? So in a compound umbel, it is a type of inflorescence. So in a compound umbel, each umbellate, each unit is subtended by what? So 9th one, it is bracket. You can observe bracket or bracteolate. Bracteole is a bracket. Okay, separation is there. Then in the monocotyledonous seeds, the endosperm is separated from the embryo by a distinct layer known as what? So 10th question. in the monocotyledonous seed, if you take the seed of monocot, if you take our maize, etc., the endosperm refers to, here it is the nutritious content, isn't it? Endosperm, not embryo. Embryo is going to be nourished by this endosperm, is separated from the embryo by a distinct layer known as testa, epithelial layer, tegmen, scutellum and coleoptile. So it is the epithelial layer. Epithelial layer. So 10th one, B is the right answer. Then 11th question. The fleshy receptacle encloses a number of what? Berries, unisexual flower, achene, samaras. So these are the different types of fruits, okay? So unisexual flower is a flower, berries, achene and samaras. So 11th one, answer is the fleshy receptacle encloses a number of unisexual flowers. Receptacle of the entire inflorescence is having unisexual flower. Then the ovary is half inferior in flowers of which plant? Peach plant, cotton, cucumber, guava. Half inferior. It is not completely inferior, it is not completely superior. It is half inferior. So from the middle of that ovary we can observe the attachment of the calyx. The corolla. So the arrangement of the petals are there from the middle portion of the ovary. So it is observed in which plant flower? It is the peach. In peach plant flower, the example for half inferior ovary. Okay, half inferior level. So answer is A for 12th question. Then 13th one. Which one of the following statement is correct? Correct statement. See, in tomato fruitis capsule, seeds of orchid have oil-rich endosperm. Placentation in primrose is basal. Flower of tulip is modified shoot. So here, which statement is correct? I am saying correct statement. So answer is D. Flower of tulip is modified shoot. Okay, modified shoot. Other A, B, C statements are wrong statements regarding with this question. Okay, so answer is D, the right statement. Then flowers are zygomorphic in which plant? Zygomorphic refers to like that of actinomorphic. Actinomorphic is we are going to get two half. If you are cutting the flower in any radius, the line should pass through the center, isn't it? But zygomorphic, we are not going to get two equal half in any radius, that is zygomorphic flower. So zygomorphic flowers are observed in mustard, gulmohar, datura, tomato. In which plant flower we can observe this zygomorphic condition, that is gulmohar. Gulmohar plant flowers or gulmohar flowers are zygomorphic in nature. Next, 15th question, question number 15. Yes, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Phyllodes is present in where? Euphorbia, Opentia, Australian Acacia, Asparagus. So 15th one, it is phyllodes is observed in Australian Acacia. Modification of petiole into a leaf-like structure, that is called phyllodes. So it is observed in the acacia plant, Australian Acacia plant. So answer is B for 15th one. Next, 16th question. Question number 16. Cymose inflorescence is present in which plant? Sesbania, Trifolium, Solanum, Brassica. So 16th one, it is Solanum. So solanum means if you take brinjal, cymose inflorescence, the flower is single, solitary, isn't it? So cymose inflorescence is observed in the solanum. It is a, for example, if you take brinjal is best example. Okay. Then, how we can define seed? The 17th question. The seed can be defined as a mature ovule. I directly see I will give the answer. A mature ovule with a dormant embryo with enough reserve food material and protective coating. So answer is B for the 17th question. A mature ovule with a dormant embryo with enough reserve food material and protective coating, that is what the definition for seed. Okay. So answer is B for 17th one. Then 18th one, 18th question, question number 18. In the maize grain, the starchy food is stored in where? In maize grain means monocot. The starchy food means endosperm is stored in cotyledons, coleoptile, endosperm, aileron layer. So which is the answer? It is the endosperm. In the endosperm we can observe the storage of food in the case of our maize grain. So answer is for 18th question, D is the right answer. Yes, Solanum, Jyotika, you are right. Okay. For 17th question, there is a definition for seed. Okay. And for 18th question, it is the maize grain. The starchy food is stored in which one? It is the endosperm. Yes, next question number 19. Next 19th question. Which one of the following is not fruit? Cabbage, watermelon, apple, tomato. And the 19th question, which is not a fruit, very simple, it is a cabbage. It's a leafy vegetable. Cabbage is the leafy vegetable. The other three are fruits. Apple, of course, is fast fruit, tomato, watermelon. So answer is A for 19th question. Then 20th one. And 20th one. What is the edible part of mango? What is the edible part of mango? Epicarp, mesocarp, thalamus, endocarp. So 20th one, it is the mesocarp. Mesocarp is the part where it is going to be utilized as the edible portion in the case of mango fruit. Epicarp is the outermost layer, skin, and endocarp is the innermost layer, outer to the seed. Okay. Mesocarp is the fleshy part. It is utilized as a part of edible part in the case of mango. And 21st question, number 21st. Next, 21st question. A fruit in which fruit wall and seed coat have got fused is called what? Seed coat and fruit wall. See, seed coat is outer to the seed. Seed is present inside the fruit. So fruit wall is the pericarp, outermost wall. Outermost wall of the fruit and seed coat have got fused is called, that condition is called what? It is called legume, caryopsis, nut, drupe. It is the drupe. Drupe is the right answer for 21st question. It's a type of fruit. Okay. The next 22nd. A composite or multiple fruit develops from what? Composite or multiple fruit develop from what? Polycarpillary ovary, bicarpillary and syncarpous ovary, apocarpous ovary, inflorescence. So 22nd question number 22nd, it is bicarpillary syncarpous ovary. Bicarpillary syncarpous fused ovary is two carpus where multiple composite or multiple fruits will develop from that kind of ovary with their specific nature after fertilization. Then 23rd, wheat grain is an example of what? Achene, nut, caryopsis, follicle. 23rd, it is follicle. Okay, follicle type of fruit, actually wheat. It's a group, isn't it? Then, which fruit is a type of nut? Groundnut, oat, walnut, cashew nut. In all the three options, nut is there, but which is the right nut, isn't it? Which fruit is a type of nut? 24th, it is walnut. Walnut is actual nut. Okay. So answer is C for 24th question. Yes, Manoj, it is a drupe. You are right. And 25th question. What is the edible part in coconut? Entire seed, fruit wall, endosperm, none of the above. Edible part is the eating part of the coconut. It is the endosperm, isn't it? Endosperm. It may be cellular endosperm or liquid endosperm, whatever it may be. But actual, it is the answer is C. It is the endosperm. It is the edible part of the fruit. Okay, edible part of the fruit. So the 25th question, it is over. It's endosperm, liquid endosperm. Remember, liquid endosperm is the coconut, and the cellular endosperm is also there. The white kernel portion of the coconut is a cellular endosperm. Both are edible, good with nutritions. So that is the class. Okay. So once again I am telling about plus subscription of Unacademy, and here we are focusing towards best plans for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. This plus course consists of premium content at affordable price, structured live process or dedicated live doubt clearing sessions are there, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPS full-length mock test etc. with analysis, and single subscription for unlimited access. So if you subscribe for PCMB, you will going to get unlimited access with all educators topic regarding the particular subject. Okay, use my referral code. Here I given the referral code, and you can have this referral code for the plus subscription. So you can use this one and get 10% off. And second newly introduced class, it is comprehensive batch. What is this comprehensive batch? This comprehensive batch consists of complete syllabus is going to be covered. Tips and tricks by top educators, top plus educators will going to give the tips and tricks, and topic wise practice questions will be there. That is a MCQ type of questions, and full length mock test will be there after the completion of individual chapter. First it is the theory, followed with the tips and tricks, topic wise practice questions, and full length mock test. Doubt clearance will be there. Okay, and here 4 members are there in one group, that is one each for subject PCMB, and here myself I am taking Karnataka CET 2021 comprehensive batch classes with respect to English Kannada version, and I already started from last month, and continuation of the classes are going on, and I have taken several special classes and YouTube classes. So if you follow me in Unacademy student app, you will going to get all the necessary things, okay, regarding with the special classes and YouTube classes. So when you are doing the subscription for either comprehensive batch or plus course batch, please use my referral code Murali.P.G 85 3057 and get 10% off with respect to the price value. Okay, so by this I will give thanks to you. So thank you one and all. Thank you all. Going to end up this session now. Okay, so we discussed morphology of flowering plant with some of the MCQ, and yeah, nearly about 25 MCQs we discussed. Okay, so if you follow me in Unacademy app, you will get more things about my classes, notifications, etc. Okay, so if you want more classes, please join to the plus subscription, plus classes or comprehensive batch. You will get a good knowledge about our courses, about our syllabus and theory, etc., etc. Okay, so thank you one and all. Thanks a lot. Okay, I will going to end up this session now.